Happy Sunday, YouTube. So today we are doing a lot of kind of remix dinner. Yes, y'all, I do still have the Christmas stuff up. Don't judge me. I told y'all February 1st it will come down. February 1st. And even then, like the stuff that's indicated for winter will still be up. That means these curtains are staying up. These oven mitts are staying up. The snowman penguin and snowflakes are staying up. Yes, the penguin does says have Merry Christmas on his hat, but he's gonna stay up there. The little snow right there up under the cabinet is staying up there. I might just keep the bows on there too. All my little snow peeps on top are staying up there. They're staying up there, y'all. The deer are staying up there. Like pretty much the whole freaking kitchen, besides the actual Christmas trees in here, just might be up in these Merry Christmas signs because it all indicates Christmas. Like even that tree, even the tree might still stay up because it's blue and it's silver. Well, the small ones are blue. The big one is silver. Icicles. It indicates Christmas, y'all. So they just might, the whole kitchen just might stay. It just might stay. Now, for sure, the trees are coming down in every room. But the Candyland hallway actually might stay. Because, like, why not, y'all? Why not? Of course, I'm going to have to take up the rug and the Christmas trees that are going down the lane. But the stickers are going to stay. And the garland on the top might stay. I mean, because, like, why not? Why not? Okay, I might take down the big candy canes, though. No, I'm not. I take that back. I'm not.
Seriously, mommy.
Everything else pretty much has to come down, y'all. The trees have to come down. The garland has to come down. That sign has to come down. No mistletoe, only on Christmas. But yeah, for the most part, y'all, the shower curtain has to come down. Pretty much everything in the bathroom, besides like my candy garland and my bears at the top, might come down. I might find a Candyland shower curtain to replace that one. But I don't really anticipate on doing much to this house until winter is over. So anything wintry will stay. Candyland is universal as well. So anything Candyland that doesn't have like Merry Christmas on it may stay. So that's where I'm feeling right now, y'all. So I don't know if you guys know it or not, but if turkeys are still in store, they are super cheap right now. I look so tired. I just woke up, y'all, like literally 20 minutes ago. If turkeys are still in store, they are super cheap right now. Go copy one. I got a turkey for $6. $6. So to make this meal, my mom left over some sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes right here on the pan. Just washed and rinsed them off. They are about to go in the oven to cook. I'm going to do mashed sweet potatoes, turkey, and collard greens. So my collard greens have Slap Your Mama, Lori seasoned salt, some vinegar, chicken broth, onion powder, garlic powder, onion salt, garlic salt, and some garlic and herb seasoning from Weber's. All of that in, and now they're cooking in the crock pot. It is officially 12:07, y'all. I started this 10 minutes ago. Getting it started. We should be able to eat on time tonight. TK is not getting anything different. He's going to get some turkey. So it's going to be turkey for him. And fruit and chips. Because that's usually what he has for his dinner. Now, as of Tuesday, I don't know if he's going to want something different or not. He may be okay with the turkey 2 days in a row. May not. Well, one day I know for sure I'm gonna have to give him something different. So we'll see about that. But yeah, y'all, I got everything cooking. My turkey seasoned and on I usually have turkey bag. I did not today, but this is cooking, y'all. I will be back after it is somewhat done. So see you soon. All right, you guys, this is what my greens are looking like. Now, you guys know that I normally don't cook with meat in my greens. This time I tried to mix it up a bit, take it back to the grandma recipe. So we got some turkey, no, not turkey, but basically smoked. I don't even remember what this is called. I think it's a smoked ham hock, y'all, that I put in here. Pretty much cooking it. I try to cut up some fresh garlic, but yeah, it's too problematic. So I got out my minced garlic and poured it in there. Cause I don't have time. I really don't. I don't feel like doing all of that. So this is how much our greens have came down so far. They are cooking perfectly on time. We are going to be able to eat on time today. So geeks about that. That's how the greens are looking. I'm gonna put the top back on and let them do their thing. And then as far as the turkey goes, that's what the turkey is looking like, y'all. It smells amazing. I usually use turkey bags, but I did not have any turkey bags, so I kind of just threw it in the oven as is. It's doing its thing so far. This is what it looks like, y'all. I'm about to baste it real quick. I will be back. All right, guys. So we have mashed up, well, not mashed up our potatoes, but we taken out our sweet potatoes. We have them in our bowl. I'm going to put in 2.5 of a stick of butter. Well, a tablespoon of a stick of butter. If I can get it to fall. And also, if you guys do not peel these sweet potatoes by hand and embrace in the burnt fingertips, and you is not doing it right. You have to do everything by scratch. By scratch is the way to be.